Well, happening today, an investment in East Tampa will bring city services closer to people in the community.
City council members expect to vote on funding for the new city center. It's a government services building. Megan Gannon joins us now live from the side of the center. This is on Hannah Avenue. Good morning to you, Megan.
Hey, good morning, Avery and Chris. Yeah, so we're on Hannah Avenue. You can see behind me all this fencing, this entire area blocked off. We know the building that used to be here was demoed earlier this year. And today, Tampa City Council will be voting on a $100 million plus contract to build this new city center. So these are renderings of what this city center is expected to look like. It would be a government services building that would house multiple city departments like arts and cultural affairs, code enforcement, community engagement, and more. It will also serve as a gathering space for neighborhood residents, plus offer things like workforce development. City leaders and architects for this project spoke about the future of it in a community presentation earlier this week.
There are many different outreach programs in the city available to the public, so we want to make sure that we create that bridge between the departments and the public, and making sure we have.
So again, Tampa City Council is expected to vote on the funding for this project today during their meeting. We're told construction is set to begin in January, with the completion date looking sometime to be in 2023. Reporting live in Tampa this morning, Megan Gannon, 8 on your side.
All right, thanks, Megan.